So guys, welcome to Electronic Studio. So today we are going to learn how to use a Arduino IDE. So first time opening this Arduino IDE. So if you will open the first time open Arduino IDE, you will default code it will be there. Where we can mention whatever we have requirement, void setup and void load. So one by one I will teach you each and everything features. So I'm making this video because nobody don't know how to use the Arduino IDE. Every beginners and school going students, they don't know how to use this Arduino IDE. So first option, I will click it here, this file option. So here you will see few more options are there. First option, if I will click here Control N, and directly also we can click it the shortcut key. With the help of shortcut key we can create the one new file. If I will open the new file, this I can able to create a new one file. Here we can put our code. If you don't want this lines, we can delete this line also. If you have whatever code, you can type it here directly like this. And one more thing is also there. And for a library downloadation, one more option is there. Here is a library manager. Whatever you ever need a library, you can download the inside only. If I'm going to download one library like TM1637, this is a one segment display library module. Library is there. If you want to download, you can download it here. Then after downloading, if you will go to inside this example option, here you will get able to see the all libraries whatever you have downloaded, and we are all which one we are going to download. Here all libraries will see here. And one more thing also, the option is also that if I'm going to home screen, already I have downloaded the externally download, not inside the Arduino IDE. If you are not getting any library inside the Arduino IDE, you can do one thing. You download it from the GitHub and Arduino website, also in Google, also somewhere wherever. If you want to add this library zip file in our Arduino IDE, so you can do one thing. Go to this our edit option, sketch option. There you can include library. Then you have to select the add zip library. I put it this library in the desktop side. You have to go to this DF Robot BMX 160. This is a 9-axis sensor library. If you will go to select this and you have to open this, then automatically it will see here option is came, command is responding, library installed. If you want to see this library example, you can go to this example option. Then you can see whatever you have add the library. See like this one, this example I'm opening this read all data something. If you will click it here, your library will open it, and you can see here whatever you have downloaded. Here one library we downloaded. Here we can see all everything code example according to your requirement. You can adjust your code, and you can perform your task also. One more thing also I'm going to show you, library add, how to have we already covered this. Then one more thing is there, library board manager. If we want to like this, I will show you. We are using here two boards manager like Arduino and ESP32. If we want to add here like HTM controller and Raspberry Pi controller, you have to go to file and preferences, and you can go to the Google. There you can access the one URL path. You will get the ESP32 path, as well as I will mention this path also in our description box. From there you can download this path. Just you have to copy and you have to paste it here and click it to OK. If you want to add the ESP32 board manager, then you have to go here. Then just you have to type ESP32. See, I have already downloaded, that's why it is showing this option, remove option, because I have already downloaded. So if you want to use, you can download it like this form. And in tool option, I will tell you each and everything one by one. This is a manage libraries, we already have covered. This is a serial monitor. If you will serial monitor, it is came whatever you are performing the task, live data you can see here. Otherwise, without using here this manually option, you can click it here also. From here also you can download like this one, this serial option. And graphs option is also there. and based on your data serial it will automatically detect your path. And one more option is that this port option. See, if I am using the Arduino Uno, so you can use the Arduino Uno. And one more option is the ESP32. Here you also I already added all boards and modules are already here. And then before going to one thing, I'm going to show you one example. So file, go to basic, and one LED blink program I will going to show you. So guys, unfortunately I don't have a physical board. I'm going to show you in simulation way how to use this LED blinking program. So one program is there, just I have to copy it from here to there. Just copy it and go to this Tinkercad. One simulation tool is there. Here you can able to see whatever you have to perform the task. Just you have to drag and drop here this Arduino ID and make a schematic diagram. Based on your diagram, it will, then you have to click it here, this code section. In code section, just you have to put your code, whatever we have copied. One minute. Oh, I didn't click it properly. We have to copy it from this void setter to till down. Then we have to go here and click it again and paste it. See, I mentioned here this inside this code already inbuilt LED will blink. Pin number 13 it is connected. This inbuilt LED it is connected to pin number 13. If I am clicking here to simulation, the LED will blink. See, like this. LED is blinking. If you want to modify this code, you can modify here. Like in Arduino program, one unit is there. See, in delay, regarding the delay, here they mention 1000 means 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. And if you want to use minimum amount of the delay, so you can as much as minimum you can put the 1 milliseconds. Below that you can't do this. So guys, this is our topic today. So thanks for visiting this electronic studio. Before leave this channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.